Pizza chain restaurants make pizza for a cheap price, but they often lack the flavor and quality of a New York-style pizza.
Local New York-style pizza shops make their dough, sauce, and pies from scratch, but charge a premium for their quality products.
We have found a way that you can serve your family the New York-style local pizza shop quality at the national pizza chain price, and perhaps for less money.
What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on our video. I'm Evan.
And I'm Ashley.
Together, we are Fam Jam Fish.
In this video, we are going to go over 5 tips we have discovered that has not only saved us hundreds of dollars on our pizza budget, but have also resulted in a pizza product we think is similar to the mom and pop pizza shops across America. So hit that like button and watch till the end. Let's go!
Step 1. Order a pizza screen online and have it shipped to your house.
This is our 16-inch pizza screen that we use to make sure the bottom of our pizzas are nice and crisp. We've put a link in the description below so you can buy a pizza screen for yourself and save yourself some money when you make pizzas at home.
Make sure you check how deep your oven is so you can fit the right size pizza screen. Our oven fits a 16-inch pizza screen just fine.
Step 2. Buy you a can of tomato sauce. We were able to find this can of tomato sauce for 94 cents at Walmart.
Step 3. Get yourself an 8-ounce bag of mozzarella cheese. Each 8-ounce serving will be plenty of cheese to make one 16-inch pizza, which is considered a large pie in most local New York pizza shops.
Step 4. Pick your toppings. We obviously will be going with pepperoni for pizza number 1 and that good old plain cheese for pizza number 2. Let us know in the comments below if you are for Team Pepperoni or Team Cheese, and make sure to use that hashtag.
Step 5. Once you have all your ingredients selected, you need to go to your local pizza store and get a pizza dough ball. 20 ounces of pizza dough is large enough for a 16-inch pie. 12 ounces of dough will make 10 inches. This step is very important. Buying your own pizza dough will allow you to save a considerable amount of money. Make sure you shop around your local area to find the best quality dough at the lowest price. We are able to source our dough from our local grocery store, which costs $3. We have a restaurant down the street called Italian House, which costs $2.75, and Stone Fired Pizza, which we got our dough from today, which costs $2.50. If you are a fan of the big chains like Papa John's, Domino's, or Pizza Hut, you can ask them if they will sell you a pizza dough ball.
Now that you have your pizza ingredients, it is time to get baking. Follow our 5 basic tips and you can turn your $26 pizza purchase into $12.15. Make your life easier and save money by buying your pizza groceries ahead of time. You can click on this video right here to see how you can save money with Walmart grocery pickup by using iBotta.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Click subscribe for more videos about saving money, shopping smart, cooking, traveling, and working hard.
Thanks for watching Fam Jam Fish.
Hustle on!